Welcome to my ninth tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be talking about the route in more detail. So first of all, open your project in Sublime Text or any text editor. After that, run your server and then open any browser, type localhost and run your project. Okay, then in your Sublime Text, go to the folder, main folder, route and the web.php, or simply you can type Ctrl P for the Windows and type web.php, for Mac Command P and type web.php. Okay, so we have keep on putting this route in second part of this, but we haven't found that is it appropriate way of writing this route here or not. So we'll be discussing about that in today's section. So okay, let's write here one. Yeah, it is working fine, but what if I'll be writing here login page? If I'll try to, because we have already learned about the simple authentication and we have slash login slash register and slash logout every part, but does it work or not? No. Then why is not working at this time? Because when you type a login here, then it thinks that login is sending as a parameter and directly it will send to the article controller. Yeah, it will send to the article controller the article detail, and it goes to this line and it will try to find the article, and it is where id is equals to this article id, that means login, it is sending the login part. So let's write here dd and let's simply return this article id and just refresh this. Yeah, I think you understood. Yeah, what is the main mistake? So it is being, because in first line of session it is writing that slash article id, so this part must be at the last, because in this part there will be logout, login and everything, and here there is a slash home and article id, because these are the static and this is the dynamic. I mean to say that if there is slash home, then it must go to this directory. If there is a slash login, it must go to this directory. If there is slash register, if there is slash logout. Yeah, but we don't have any other slash something. But if suppose we need that, if we are trying to make the slash article, then go to this route, then we have to make that above this route. Okay, because if you won't keep above this route, then you will think that whatever the parameter will give after slash, that will be is that will trigger this route and it will go to the article controller and trigger article detail method. So we should keep article id at last. All static URL must be in up and all dynamic URL must be below that. Okay, so let's open this. Now it is working perfectly. Okay, let's write here /1. Yeah, good, it is working most perfectly. So now this is the most thing that you have to know about the route sections. Yeah, you can simply write it route, yeah, and get slash article, yeah, slash page. Okay, and you can simply, let's make your anonymous function right now and return here hello. Okay, let's make multiple of route for that, and then let's go here. Okay, instead of hello, let's write page, page. Okay, and in above page, let's write here page 1, here page 2, here page 3, here page 4, and here page 5. Yeah, let's write here okay, let's write here 1, let's write here 2, let's write here 3, let's write here 4. Okay, let's write here 5. Fine, let's go here. Then let's write here slash article slash page 1. Okay, yeah, it's working fine. But what if I'll be doing the same thing right here, What if I'll be writing an article and then article, okay, ID, fine, it will be working perfectly, because in this URL there must be a 3 parts. So here is only the 2 article and the page 1, so it won't go to this process. But if I'll write just 2 article and the article ID, then it will be confusion about this and it will go to the article page. Okay, just right here, nothing here. Okay, it will go to that directory, but at this case also it will go to the same directory. Wait a minute, oh sorry. Okay, suppose here is the page 1, okay, fine, and it will go to the same directory. But at this case, if I'll just give this URL, then it will go to this directory. So we have to think about that whenever we are making the sequence of URL. Then just remember that, are you making a static or dynamic, and what kind of URL you are trying to make it. If you are trying to make slash page and slash like this, yeah, then you have to think about it. Because if I write in this way, okay, suppose, okay, let's write here, okay, article page 1 and the article ID, okay, article page 1 and the article ID, okay, yeah, it is working fine, because article page 1 and the article ID. But if I write here again page 1, simply write here page 1, then this URL will be triggered, because article, after that anything may be there, anything, yeah, that may be any value, and then after, if there is a page 1, then it will redirect this URL. It will trigger this URL. You must know about this. This is the must. You must know about this kind of how this URL will be working in Laravel. Okay, so if you write here PS1, this step by step, it will first of all, it will trigger this and this and this and this and this. So step by step, you must know that at what case what I have to keep here. Okay, article ID page 1 will not work at this case, because page 1 article ID may be anything. It is page 1. This don't think that this page 1 is there. It will think that this page 1 first of all, and then after page 1, that means it satisfied this URL, so it will run this URL. So you have to take care about this all thing while working over the route. Okay, if you write an article page 1 and any other except page 1, you can write page 2 also here, okay, except page 1, then it will be triggering this URL. Okay, I think now we have successfully understood about the route in more detail. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you are not having any problem. If you have any problem, if you are any confusion, then please don't forget to comment, and please, if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.